Hello, I'm the marrying lady. My name is Teddy Credjour and I'm a wedding officiant in Toronto, Ontario. And this is a vow writing workshop to help you write your own personal vows for your wedding day. This workshop was provided to me by my mentor, Michelle Harnick, who is an officiant in Manitoulin Islands, so I thank her for this. And I hope it's useful for you. So there are 3 parts to this vow writing workshop, and you can watch all 3, or hopefully you get it on the first video. So the parts are, in this video, I'm going to ask you 13 questions to help get your mind juices going. For those questions, you're going to want a pen and paper or to have your laptop ready to go so you can enter things very quickly. Spend about 2 minutes on each question. You can pause the video. I'll go through them all fairly quickly, so you could always pause the video and go back. But only write what comes to your mind, comes from your heart from the very beginning, okay? Part 2, I've got piles and piles of hundreds of vows that I've collected over the years, and I'll read them out to you so you get an idea of the flow, the amount of time, the speed, anything like that, just some good juicy bits that we can add in. And then finally, part 3 will be when I'll actually give you some words to help really form your final vow. Okay, so I hope that's helpful. So let's begin. So get your paper, pen, or laptop ready to go. And again, pause it after I'm done asking the question, only for a few minutes. Okay, number 1, tell me the story of how you met and what your first thoughts and impressions were. So write about 3 sentences or a paragraph and just let it flow. Number 2, when did you start falling in love with them? And how did you know you were falling in love? Again, 3 sentences or a paragraph. Number 3, how is your relationship with them different than any other romantic relationship that you've had before? So give 1 to 4 solid examples. Number 4, what do you value in your partner? Number 5, how has having your partner in your life changed you and how you live? Number 6, why do you want to marry them? And just speak from the heart, 1 to 4 points. Number 7, what do you offer them openly and freely? Number 8, what unique qualities do they have, and why are those traits important to you? Number 9, what aspects of your partner's character and values do you treasure most, and why? Number 10, what do you imagine your lives to be like in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, when you're elderly, together, retired? Number 10, or number 11, some wonderful things that they have done for you. Okay. Number 12, the 3 most important things about marriage are, okay. And finally, number 13, 3 things I want them to know on your wedding day. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and stay tuned for part 2 where I'll provide some samples of vows. Okay, good luck and have a great wedding day.